I am a child from Dubai and I go in a school called DIA. I am in year 6, otherwise also known as grade 5. I am doing this for my exhibition project, for my final exhibition to graduate. Me and my group are trying to make a change by helping endangered animals. We're going to mainly focus on the sand fox, otherwise known as the phoenix fox, which I have a model here, but except that the sand fox, otherwise known also as the phoenix fox, is orange and white. Also, we're going to be focusing on the hawksbill turtle, except that the hawksbill turtle has a brown and green shell. And the Arabian leopard, except that the Arabian leopard is a little more furry than this one, and instead of having yellow, it has brown. So the sand fox. The sand fox is a little fox which lives in sandy, rocky areas in the desert. The sand fox eats little insects, small reptiles, and birds. So if the sand fox is gone, the population of insects will grow, then there will be less grass, which will affect the herbivores, which then can also cause huge problems for food to us, the humans, which also means we might also be extinct. Hi, I will be talking about the hawksbill turtle now. So the hawksbill turtle is a turtle that lives in the sea. So this turtle is being hunted for its shell and to make turtle soup. So the hawksbill turtle eats sea sponges, squids, jellyfish, and anemones. If there is no more sea turtles, there will be less raccoons, and also there will be too much sea sponges and anemones going around the sea, and then there will start to be too much squids and jellyfish. The squids and jellyfish will start eating little fish, which then can affect the carnivores, which will affect the food that we eat. Hi, now I'm going to be talking about the Arabian leopard. So the Arabian leopard is a leopard which eats mountain gazelles and goats. So the Arabian leopard, there are not many, but Lion Zoo is trying to help them. And also, if there are no more Arabian leopards, there will be too many mountain gazelles and goats. So then the mountain gazelles and goats will eat all the plants in the wild, which will then affect the herbivores and the insects. It will affect the carnivores, including the sand fox, otherwise known as the phoenix fox, because the phoenix fox also eats insects. So now, down in the description, I'm going to put a link to a website. You can watch this website, and also down in the comments below, please tell me your perspective about keeping animals in cages or killing them. I think keeping them in cages is good and bad because it can be to protect them, and killing them is bad. Thank you.